Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to increase iPhone alarm volume. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Certainly, you can observe that I've already set my volume to the maximum level. However, when I try to listen to the alarm sounds, they aren't ringing loudly. The sound is barely audible. What could be the issue? For the alarm sound, you don't need to adjust the volume bar extensively. There are two methods to adjust this. One method is to go to the settings and scroll down to where it says sound or sound and haptics. In this menu, you find the option for alert volume, which might be set to the lower settings. You can increase the volume by moving the slider to the right. This adjustment will not only affect your ringtone volume, but also your alarm sound. Alternatively, you can use the buttons on the left side of your device. Changing the volume using these keys will increase or decrease both the ringer and alarm sound volume. Once you increase the volume to its maximum using these buttons, check the volume of the alarm sounds. You'll notice that the sound is much stronger than before. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.